Everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Treja. In our today class, we are going to discuss the digestion of fat. What are fat? They are the triglycerides. What do you mean by triglyceride? Triglyceride is an ester derived from glycerol and 3 fatty acids. Here I am going to draw the structure of triglyceride. They are made up of glycerol and 3 fatty acids are found attached with them. This is the structure of glycerol. Glycerol are trihydric alcohol. Fatty acids remain attached with them. This is the one amino acid. At least it consists of one of the carboxylic group. One water molecule is removed from here and ester group is produced. Same here, this is the another fatty acid. Rather we write it as fatty acid 1, fatty acid 2, which consists of one of the carboxylic group. Water molecules are removed from here. This is third fatty acid. What we obtain after the reaction? We obtain the triglyceride. That is, one glycerol combined with 3 fatty acid and forms the triglyceride. Now we start the digestion part. First in buccal cavity. No enzyme are present for the fat digestion, so fat is not digested. In buccal cavity. Second, we come on the stomach part. Weak gastric lipase is present in gastric juice. Negligible amount of digestion of fat takes place here. What is the reason? Very little amount of fat is digested here, as pH of stomach do not support the fat digestion in stomach. pH is not suitable. For fat digestion, and one of the other reason is no emulsified fat are present in stomach. No emulsification takes place. So only negligible, very little amount of fat is digested in stomach. We can ignore, that is, we can say there is no digestion of fat in stomach. Why emulsification is important, we later on discuss. Now we come on the duodenum part or small intestine. Maximum digestion of fat takes place in the duodenum. What happens in the duodenum? First, on triglyceride, action of bile juice takes place. Inside the bile juice, bile salts are present. The pH inside the duodenum is 8.6 to 8.8, which supports the digestion of fat here. Bile salts first emulsify the triglycerides or fat. Two bile salts are present in the bile juice, that is sodium glycolate and sodium tarocolate, which converts the fat into emulsified fat. Any kind of chemical bond does not break here in the structure of fat. Only the larger fat droplets are broken down into smaller fat droplets. So enzyme lipase easily digests these emulsified fat. Here is the larger fat droplets, that is fat, bigger molecule of fat is there. After emulsification, it is broken down into smaller fat droplets. This is called emulsification. So in this case, lipase easily digests the smaller fat droplets after emulsification. That's why emulsification is required for fat digestion. And emulsification only takes place in the duodenum, where bile juice is present, and inside the bile juice bile salts are there. So bile salts, sodium glycolate and tarocolate, they emulsified the fat. After emulsification, there is the action of enzyme lipase takes place on emulsified fat. Pancreatic lipase as well as intestinal lipase. Both work on the emulsified fat. Three fatty acids are present in the structure of fat. So we obtained here diglycerides and one fatty acid is removed. Then again lipase work on diglyceride. Then we get the monoglyceride. And one more fatty acid. After this again lipase work on monoglyceride and we obtain the glycerol and one more fatty acid released in this process. So after complete digestion of fat, what are the products obtained here? Glycerol and 3 fatty acids. This is the complete digestion of fat. एक बार फिर से सम अप करते हैं इसको, किस तरह से फैट का डाइजेशन हुआ है. Fat are the triglycerides. Triglycerides are ester which consist of one molecule of glycerol and 3 fatty acids found attached with them. Inside the buccal cavity, फैट के डाइजेशन के लिए कोई एंजाइम नहीं है, तो फैट का डाइजेशन नहीं होता है. स्टमक में वीक गैस्ट्रिक लाइपेज एंजाइम प्रेजेंट है, जो कि फैट का वेरी लिटिल अमाउंट यहाँ पर डाइजेस्ट करता है, क्योंकि लाइपेज के वर्क के लिए यहाँ पर एप्रोप्रिएट पीएच नहीं होती है और फैट का इमल्सिफिकेशन भी नहीं हुआ है. ड्यूडेनम में स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का कंप्लीट ड्यूडेनम स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन का पार्ट है जहाँ पर फैट का कंप्लीट डाइजेशन होता है. सबसे पहले ट्राइग्लिसराइड फैट पर बाइल सॉल्ट्स वर्क करते हैं. 2 बाइल सॉल्ट्स हैं बाइल जूस में, सोडियम ग्लाइकोलेट एंड टारोकोलेट, एंड अप्रॉक्सीमेट पीएच भी वहां पर प्रेजेंट है, दैट इज 8.6 to 8.8. सो ट्राइग्लिसराइड इन प्रेजेंस ऑफ बाइल सॉल्ट्स converted into emulsified fat. What are emulsified fat? That is larger fat droplets are broken down into smaller fat droplets. Now the lipase enzyme present in pancreatic juice and intestinal juice digest this emulsified fat. First we will obtain the diglyceride by release of one fatty acid. Again lipase work on diglyceride and convert it into monoglyceride, and one fatty acids more released here. Then lipase digests monoglyceride into glycerol and fatty acids. So finally fat is digested, and the product of fat digestion are 1 molecule of glycerol and 3 molecules of fatty acids are received in this process. So what we are observing here, that is the digestion of carbohydrates is begin into the buccal cavity. After that protein digestion start in the stomach, and fat digestion, very little amount of fat is digested into the stomach, and final digestion of fat, complete digestion of fat takes place into the duodenum. This is all about in this video. Thank you so much.